Here's how to make money with Amazon affiliate marketing without reviewing or buying any Amazon products. Plus, we are going to use the hottest traffic there is at the moment. Let's get right into it. Hey guys, welcome to my channel where I post content about affiliate marketing but also about the other ways of making money online. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button because I post content every single day. So as you most probably already know, Amazon has an affiliate program that you can join. A lot of people today are making a full-time living off of the Amazon program, so can you as well. So the method of making money with Amazon affiliate marketing that I'm going to talk about in this video will only take you about 20 to 30 minutes of work per day. So don't skip this video because this video will contain a lot of valuable content for you. Don't miss out on this and watch till the end of this video. So if you check this particular TikTok account that I have opened up here by the name of Rachel Meters, as you can see, this woman with her husband posts a ton of different videos about the different Amazon products that she has bought, and she makes videos about it, talking about it, some of her amazing Amazon finds. And as you can see, she has like over 2 million followers posting those kinds of videos on her channel. And as you can see, a lot of her videos get a lot of views, so like over 100,000 views for most of her videos. Obviously, she has some videos that goes even more viral, like this one here, 6.5 million views, 400,000 views. So she does get hundreds of thousands of views at least on most of her videos. And even if a small percentage of that goes to her, to her Amazon link, affiliate link, and buy some of those products, you can bet that she's making thousands and thousands of dollars per day. And if we look at some of those videos, let's say we open this one, you see that they get a lot of engagement, 14,000 likes, 64 comments, most probably people asking more questions about those products before buying them. So if we watch this particular video here, close to 1 million likes and close to 2,000 comments. So a lot of her videos, as you can see, do very, very well. And if we go to her link in her bio, this is her affiliate link. So if we click on this, this is the page that you're going to be redirected to, where you can find all her Amazon finds. So obviously those are the Amazon products with her affiliate links, and this is the page. As you can see, those are all the products that she has bought on Amazon and that she talks about on her videos. So as you can see, this person is very successful at what she's doing right now. And what I'm going to show you in this video is how you can do something very similar. But don't worry, you don't have to show your face. You don't have to even talk if you don't want to. But I'm going to show you a very similar way of how you can do something like that. So step one now is to find Amazon products that you can promote. Now you don't want to go and promote basic generic Amazon products. Okay, you want to promote Amazon products that will invoke curiosity, or Amazon products that will make people want to click on them and go and buy them. The kinds of products that will grab a lot of attention. Those are the kind of products that you want to go for and you want to look for. Okay, not some generic product like a computer mouse or some USB or whatever. Like, nobody's going to buy this from you. What you want to do is you want to find those products that a lot of people have never heard of or they didn't even know existed, because those are the kind of products that tend to do very, very well. So how can you go and find those kind of products? It's actually very easy. You can simply go on Google and simply type something like crazy Amazon products, and you'll find a bunch of different websites that have a list of crazy products that you can talk about. And that's one way. You can also go on TikTok and find crazy Amazon products there as well. You can go on YouTube, type in crazy Amazon products or weird Amazon products or whatever, and you'll find a bunch of different products in here. There's another website called thisiswhyimbroke.com. This is a very famous website that gets over 2 million monthly visits, and basically this is exactly what they do is they find those crazy products that you most probably never heard of that gets a lot of attention, like this one, a surf sauna. I've never heard of this. A ping pong gun, a glorious 3D Dragon Journal book. This looks like really, really amazing. A giant roaster chicken statue. So all kinds of really crazy products that you most probably never heard of that get a lot of attention. And those are the different places that you can go to find those kinds of products. So step number 2 is to create those videos. Now there's 2 ways for you to go about doing this. The first way is to go on Canva and simply where it says video, you want to click on video, and then you want to select the video dimension that is more appropriate for you. So in our case, it's one of those TikTok videos. So you're going to click on this, and then you're going to be brought to this particular page where you have a blank Canva where you can start working on this. And what you will do is you can simply, let's make this shorter. Those are basically the different scenes. So let's make it shorter. Let's duplicate this. Let's duplicate this blank scene as well. So now we have 3 different scenes. And you want to upload your product images. So for example, I've already uploaded some of my product images. So let's say I'm going to put this one. So I'm going to put this, and I'm going to resize this a little bit. Let's do it like this. Let's go to the second scene. So the second scene will input this particular image here. Let's make it bigger. And then in the third scene, we'll make this one. And we'll also make this slightly bigger. Okay, let's change this. Yeah, something like that, okay? And then in between each scene, you can simply add like a transition. So for example, we could make this one, this transition as well. And one more thing you can do is you can also add like a music. Let's say we were to add like this music. Okay, let's remove this. Let's put this back to here. And let's add the music here. There you go. And now we have like a background music as well. And this is how your video could look like with the background music that comes with it. So that is an easy way where you could create one of those videos off of Canva. Now, if I'm being really honest with you, this is not the best way to do it in my opinion, because those videos look very basic. They don't look that aesthetic. So maybe you can improve on it, like add more graphics to it, maybe improve the background, because in this one the background is simply white. So if you want to create your videos this way, you could do this, but you might want to work harder on improving your video quality, because as I've said, this does not really look that aesthetic. But the second way of creating those videos, which in my opinion is the best way of doing it, is to simply open up one of those Amazon product pages and grab your phone, click record, and just record yourself recording. And after you've clicked record, just record the Amazon product page that you've opened up, and then talk over it. You talk for like 30 seconds or 45 seconds, talking about that Amazon product that you just discovered, or that Amazon product that you think is going to be of huge interest to your audience. In my opinion, this second way is the best way to do it, because you will be able to create those videos in literally like 1 minute, less than 1 minute. All you have to do is grab your phone, press record, and just record yourself talking over it. The first way I just talked about, you don't have to show your face, you don't have to use your voice, but the second method, you will have to use your voice. But in my opinion, it's the best way of doing it, because you will be able to create those videos a lot faster, and the videos will also look much better as well. And once you've done that, once you've created your videos, step number 3 now is to simply upload your videos. Upload your videos on TikTok, and you can also upload them on YouTube Shorts. You know, TikTok and YouTube Shorts have been blowing up like crazy over the last few years. It all started with TikTok, obviously, and all the other platforms have tried to compete with TikTok, releasing their own, TikTok version on their platform, YouTube Shorts. YouTube released their YouTube Short feature in an attempt to compete with TikTok. But all those platforms have been blowing up like crazy lately. So if you upload your videos on those platforms, you're very likely to get a lot of views. And obviously, when you upload your videos, don't forget to have your affiliate links in your description, because that's how you are going to make money. And then finally, step number 4 is to simply rinse and repeat. You want to create those videos again and again and again, upload them, and be consistent with this. This method I showed you, you can create those videos in literally like 1 or 2 minutes. And the only time consuming part would be maybe to go and research those crazy products that you think will be of huge interest to your audience. But creating the videos will actually only take a few minutes. So by doing it like this, you can create a ton of videos very quickly and upload maybe 4, 5, or even 6 videos every single day. One word of advice I want to share with you before I end this video is to, before you apply to the Amazon affiliate program, is to already create your channel and already post some few videos before you apply. Because if you apply first, Amazon will ask you how you are going to promote their products. And if you have nothing to show them, you are less likely to be accepted in their Amazon affiliate program. On the other hand, if you already have like a YouTube short account, or you already have like a TikTok account, and you've already posted a few videos and you've already generated a few views and a few subscribers, they are more likely to accept you inside. There you go, guys. I hope you've liked what you've learned in this video. If you have, don't forget to give this video a like. I would really appreciate it. Don't forget to subscribe as well, as I post content every single day. Thanks again for watching, guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.